Germany at sa World Hip Hop Championship sa Amerika. Narito po ang ilan pang mga detalye tungkol sa kanila. Panoorin po natin.
Malayo-layo na rin ang narating ng dance group ng Philippine All-Stars.
Kilala mo yun?
Binuo noong 2005. Sa simula pa lang ay pinakita na ng galing ang lahat ng mga kasama dito. Pinatunayan nilang kayang sumabak sa sayawan ng mga Pinoy noong nanalo sila sa iba't ibang dance competition abroad. Ang Philippine All-Stars Dance Group, isang grupo ng mga kabataang ipinagmamalaki ang talento at kakayahan ng makabagong Pilipino.
Please welcome mga kaibigan ng Philippine All-Stars!
Y'all thought I was gonna do the same thing, huh? All-Stars.
Mga kababayan,
Ikaw ang aking, ikaw ang aking.
get the party out, boy, get the party out, get the party out. Hey, 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 follow me now, follow me now, follow me now. Let's go.
Hit me!
We won't stop. We won't stop. We won't stop. We won't stop. All stars, roll out.
Guys are great. Great.
Wow naman! Diyos ko! Ken! Ken, come over here! Ito po ang aking kakausapin, si Ken. Ito si Pulilit. Diyos ko, ninanervous ako. Magkaanak ka pa kaya? Ito, Ken! Meron kayong gagawin. Ano ito? Coming soon. Las Vegas?
We're going back to Las Vegas this time. Para
Competition ba? Or
Opo,
performance?
2008 World Hip Hop Championships. And ako okay lang po guys, so we have June 7th,
June 7
concert po namin
Saan to?
sa Ateneo po, Erwin Theater. It's called Choreographer's Birth. So hindi lang po kami, mainly, lahat po gagawa ng mga piyesa nila. Tapos yung mga ibang choreographers po, like maneuvers, handlegs.
Oh, that is so wonderful. Maraming salamat. And I hope to have all of you guys back here on the show, okay? Kung may show kayo, you have my show here to tell us about it, okay? God bless you guys. God bless. Thank you for bringing us pride, okay? Kaya